practice. In this lesson, we are going to focus mainly on the pronunciation of the phonetic sound A. The sound A is generally found in words that have the letter A followed by the letter Y. Let's practice the most used English words in which there is the sound A. A plus Y equals or gives us the combination sound of A. When the letter Y comes after the letter A in a word, the letter Y becomes silent or mute. It isn't pronounced. Let's see and practice some English words that have the sound A. So what we are going to do is just to focus on the pronunciation. The meaning of words is not important here. What is important is to know how to pronounce English words correctly. So now let's concentrate just on how to pronounce the words. So when I pronounce the word, try to pronounce it after me. Let's start with the first word, may. Repeat with me, may. May. Some students say my. No. So my, it's not this word. My is written M-Y. But this one, when we have M-A-Y, it is pronounced may. May. Repeat after me. May. The second word, way. Way. Some students say why. No, why? It isn't written like this. So Y is written W-H-Y. So when we have W-A-Y, it is pronounced way. 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 The plural of way, ways. Ways. Repeat after me. Ways. Ways. The last word is away. 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 Let's repeat the four words. May, way, ways, away. Repeat again. Repeat. May, way, ways, away.